Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on the Lionel 33. As you see, it is fully assembled. I've got it wired. I've got the center contactor installed. I've got the headlight installed. I've got the bell installed. Now, I did not mount the whistle because I need that hole for a toggle switch. And the holes on either side of this bell are too close together to mount the whistle, so I will leave it for another time. In any case, the pilots are mounted, the main contactor is mounted. Now, I ran into a problem with the main contactor. The original insulators were made of what looked like paper. I don't know what it originally was, but they were literally turning to powder. So I took the insulators off and just insulated the mounting bracket with black tape, and for now I've got it mounted with wire ties. So the contactor is mounted, the wire to the headlight is installed, so this is, for all intent and purpose, ready to run. So I just thought I'd do a quick video so you can see it running with its contactor and headlight installed. So clip that on. As you see, it is up and running. Whoops. So, in any case, it is ready to run on the rail. So now it's just a matter of waiting for the rail to arrive. I got a message from John Blair today. The track goes out tomorrow, so within a week or so, the track should be here. I'll do whatever's necessary to get it running well. I'll set it up very likely in the center of the layout, and we will have a grand unveiling of the Lionel 33 actually running on a rail. I'm really looking forward to that. Now, I've been looking for some cars for the 33. This standard gauge stuff is prohibitively expensive. I mean, simple cars like a gondola, 60 bucks, 100 bucks, 200 bucks, 300 bucks, depending on the condition and of course who made it. But been looking for some really bottom of the line stuff, and even that is reasonably expensive. For the price of one gondola, I could buy 5 Marx locomotives. So we shall see. But in any case, when the track gets here, we'll have a grand unveiling of the Lionel 33 actually running on a rail. So I'll get a couple of close-ups of this. As you see, it's much improved from when it got here, no doubt. Now, I tried to polish this chrome, and as soon as I touched it with I used toothpaste. As soon as I touched it with toothpaste, it just came off. So anyway, it's actually brass. So good enough for now. I have not soldered the connection yet. I will do that eventually, but it's good enough for now. It's wired and running. The main contactor is on and connected and working. So I'll get some new screws and find a way to insulate this so it looks better. But for now, it's up and running. It has the Marx motor mounted in it, so it is technically ready to run. So now it's just a matter of getting some track and watching it run. So anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up on the Lionel 33. As you can see, it is much improved from when it arrived, considering all the parts were in a Ziploc bag, and it looks like they've been in there for years. And everything was covered with rust, and this old locomotive was dead as a proverbial hammer and was literally falling apart. So, great improvement. Now, going to wait patiently for that track to arrive, and then we're going to watch this run. Actually, really looking forward to seeing this old locomotive run around a standard gauge rail. It's going to be a lot of fun to watch this. So, in any case, I just want to do a quick video on the Lionel 33 in its almost final form. Still a lot of little things I could do to it, but it is technically ready to run on the rail. So I just want to do a follow-up video. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.